So we want to write out the first 5 terms and then calculate the sum. So we have -1 to the first, because it starts with 1 and goes to 5, over 1, plus -1 to the squared over 2, plus -1 cubed over 3, plus -1 to the fourth over 4, plus -1 to the fifth over 5. So those are our first 5 terms. And rewrite this as -1 plus 1/2. And then this is still negative, so we have -1/3. This becomes positive, so we have plus 1/4, and then -1/5. Okay, so that's what that equals to. So now we're going to calculate the sum. I'm going to put them under a common denominator. So we have -60 over 60 plus 30 over 60 minus 20 over 60 plus 15 over 60 minus 12 over 60. And that equals -47 over 60. I believe that's the answer. There you go.